Hello my dear fellow Barbie collectors. Today I'm excited to share a great special set of my collection with you. The Wedding Day Midge Set, which was released in 1990. We don't only have Midge on her big day, but also 5 great family members that surround her on her big day, including Barbie, Ken, Stacy and Todd. But this is no set and no relationship that was made in the 80s. No, this relationship of Alan and Midge does go back to the 1960s. You may have seen it in the Barbie movie. But now let's dive a little bit deeper into the story. Hi, I'm Busy Bee from Germany. Today I'd like to show you a great piece of my collection, but in general we talk here about Barbie repairs. So we have here the original Midge and Alan from 1963. They were made to enlarge the Barbie friend circle and give the little girls and boys more opportunities to play with their dolls in different ways, which I think is great because you have more dolls and more opportunities. I really would have liked it in the 60s if I would have been born in the 60s. No, but I have been born 2 decades later. And you see here Midge came in 3 varieties of hair colors: a blonde version, a brunette and a red-haired version, which was later changed to red-haired only. A bit sad, but I think red is a good tone for Midge, and she was introduced in the late 80s to the girls again. So sometimes we have it in the Barbie history that dolls appear and disappear, and sometimes they appear again a generation later, which we have here in this example for the Wedding Day Midge. I'm not kidding, but in 2004 we got a baby. Midge got her first baby after almost 40 years of relationship. Isn't that crazy? You see her here. She's the Midge with the baby belly, which was discussed controversially in the Barbie world. And later she got even more children, which I think is quite funny and crazy in a way. So in 2004 this topic was used again and reintroduced to a new generation. I don't want to talk about her fertility here. No, that's what you see in the history of the Barbie story. Let me show you each doll in detail here and now. We have here late 80s, early 90s style wedding fashions. As we see the box, let me read you the box text. Wedding Party Midge Gift Set. It's finally here, the moment Midge and Alan have dreamed of, and they need your help to make their wedding the most romantic ever. When all the members of the wedding party are in their places, let the excitement begin. Hum the wedding march as you walk Midge down the aisle for her wedding ceremony. Imagine the sound of wedding bells ringing as the happy couple kiss. Now it's time for congratulations and fun at the reception party, when the bride and groom sneak out, then appear in their going away honeymoon outfits. It's time for Midge to throw her bouquet. Goodbye, good luck, shout Barbie and Ken as the newlyweds drive off together. What a wonderful wedding! What an exciting day! Now let's take a moment to appreciate the history of Midge and her longtime companion Alan. They were introduced to the market in the 1960s, making waves as one of Barbie's first couples. Midge was originally planned as Barbie's best friend, but she soon found love with Alan, and their chemistry captured the hearts of many fans. So Midge was originally planned as the girl next door, and she was down to earth, the complete opposite of Barbie back then. Whether you're a fan of classical Midge and Alan or you prefer the newer interpretations, the Wedding Day Midge Set is truly a treasure for any Barbie collection. Each doll tells a story, and I'm excited to add these ones to my collection. And no, I'm not going to debox this set because I wanted it for more than 20 years and now I finally got one and I add them in the box. I'm no deboxer. Let me know which one is your favorite. Do you prefer the classical Alan and Midge or do you prefer the newer interpretations? Let me know if you have any cherished memories with them. Write them in the comments below and let me know. I'm super surprised what answers I will get. Thank you for being here today with me as we explore the Wedding Day Midge Set and her enduring romance with Alan. Thanks for watching. Stay creative until we see each other the next time. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you very, very soon. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye! Keep being creative with your collection.